Hello everyone, this is Mr. Learn. In this video, I will show you what we have learned in the ICT and STEM lessons in Week 1 and Week 2. In Term 3, we are learning how to create different 3D objects by using the platform Tinkercad. First, enter to the platform tinkercad.com. Next, click the Sign In button on the right top corner. Select Sign In with Google. After that, select your YYPS student account. After logging into the Tinkercad platform, you will see your recent designs on the home page. Next, click the blue Create New Design button. In Lesson 1, we learned about how to create a Tinkercad account and went to this page. First of all, let's learn about the interface of the Tinkercad first. On the home page here, you will see there is a work plane in blue color. This is where we can put different 3D objects together and form another 3D object. On the right hand side, we have different shapes. We call it shapes tools. On the left top corner, you can see that there actually is a cube, letting us know what is our viewing points. For example, we are looking at the top. If you're using a computer and you would like to change the point of view, you can hold the right click and then drag to different points to view in different view. If you're using an iPad or any other devices, you can simply use one of your fingers to hold and then drag to different view. In this case, we have 6 different faces of the cube, so we can separate our viewpoints into 6 different sides. Now we are looking from the top. From the front, left, right, bottom, and at the back. So when you create different 3D objects, always remember to check different points of view. Next, in Lesson 1, we learned about how to drag different 3D shapes to the work plane. Now, let's drag a boss in red color and a roof in green color to the work plane. In Lesson 2, we learned about how we can change the dimensions of different objects. For example, now you would like to change the size or the dimensions of the cube. If you're using a computer, use the left click, click onto the object that you would like to edit. If you're using an iPad or either tablet, then you can simply use one of your fingers to tap on the objects. After that, you will see that there are 5 different white little points. On the cube, we call it vertices. And there is another white point on the top of the object. So, if you would like to change the size, for example the width and the length of the cube, simply click on one of the vertices. Click the number 20 and change it to 30. Now you will have a base of 30 times 30. Next, if you would like to change the height of the object, click on the white dot on the middle of the top. Change the number 20 to 15. If you would like to move the object, simply use the left click or use your finger to hold the object and drag to another place. Next, for example, you are going to make a house with a roof. So normally, the roof should be bigger than the house. So again, click on the red house to see the size of the house. Now the length and the width of the base is 30 times 30. So now you should change the roof with the length and the width of the base as 35 and 35. After that, you can try to change the viewpoints to see how the 3D objects look like. Next, now you need to put the roof on top of the house. To do so, click on the roof, and then you will see there is a little point look like a cone or a triangle in black color. Click on the cone and then drag it up. Then you will see that you now should be able to change the level of the roof. Next, in order to put the roof on top of the house, you need to do a little bit mathematical logical thinking. Now click on the house again and check the height is 15 units. In other words, the roof should be in a level of 15 units. So now click on the roof again. Click on the cone on top of the roof. And now change the level to 15 units. After that, you may now drag the roof to combine with the house. After that, remember to change to different viewpoint to make sure the roof is on top of the house. Next, if you would like to zoom in and zoom out, you can use the roller of your mouse, or by clicking the plus and minus icon on the left top corner. Next, if you would like to decorate of your house, then you can drag other 3D objects to the work plane as well. For example, let's drag the cylinder onto the work plane. And now, click the white dot on the base. Change the number from 20 to 5. Now you will have a cylinder with 5 units as the diameter of the base. If you would like to put more cylinder, you can simply click the copy icon on the left top corner. After that, click on anywhere on the work plane and then select paste icon on the left top corner. Other than that, you may click the Duplicate button on the left top corner. After clicking Duplicate and repeat for 5 times, you may see that nothing appears on the work plane. But actually, the cylinder has already been duplicated and pasted to the work plane. So now try to drag the cylinder out. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next video. Bye!